teach you how I made the gift card holder that is showing at the beginning of the video. Um, so first off, this is the completed project that I'll just keep here. But to start off, you can just go ahead and go to text. I'm just gonna move this over here. And then whatever text you want the gift card holder to say. For this project, it was for a birthday, so I just put happy birthday. And then you can leave the font as is, or you can always go up here to fonts and go through them. For me, I make sure I filter through the free fonts, and you can just play around with them, whichever one you will like the best. So let's say, hey, I like this one. So we'll go with that. So we'll just make this a little bit wider, and also I think I want to actually make these all caps just for when it cuts off, sorry. It'll be easier to work with. And then actually let's ungroup these by line. Let's zoom in some, and I just want this to basically touch that one, but actually I want it to be more so in the middle. So that looks pretty good. So we'll go over here and combine them, attach them. Okay, cool. So next we're just going to zoom out a little bit. So now we'll go to shapes, and whatever shape you want your gift card holder to be. For me, I used the square. So we'll take this, and I want to change this color just so it's easier to see. And we're just gonna make this as wide as we want it to be. The size, it really doesn't matter, and that's really up to you. But I do want to make this at least the width of this, so that when I attach it, it works very well. So, right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna scooch it down just a little bit, and I'm gonna grab both of them, and I'm going to weld it together. And just so you can see better, change the color, and you see that it is attached. Okay, so next with this one, I want to have that back layer just so there's something in between. So I'm gonna go up here to offset, and however big you want it to be, boom, so now you have your offset layer as well. So we're just gonna scoot that one over to the side, and for this next piece to get the holes in it, you may want to measure out like the length of your gift card, and it also will depend on like how you want the holes to be. If you want them like diagonal like this, or if you want them like horizontal, vertically, that's up to you. But to get those holes, we'll go back to shapes, and we'll just get square again, and then we're just gonna do this kind of tinily, and then go to rotate. Honestly, for this one, just for the purpose of this video, we'll just do it horizontally. So say we go there, and we'll copy and paste it, and then we'll go here. And actually, to make this easier to see, I'm just gonna put these on a line, so at least I know that's on 14. Boom. And down, so you need to just drop down a little bit. So you can use your X and Y axis, like we see. Move it here. You see how it has like the X is 8.69, the Y is 14.67. You can use that to help you with finding where you need to be. So 14.7, boom. Okay, so we grab both of these and we go back to combine, and we're gonna subtract them. And there you have it. You now have a gift card holder, and you put it in there. Like I said, for the purpose of this video, this measurement I know for a fact is way off, but if you measure your gift card, you'll be able to get the distance you actually need to make these. And you just go up here to make, and you'll cut them off.